Right, what's up? Today we have a little update. I would say I bought myself a presents. Not a Christmas ones, but a presents which I hope are gonna be worth the money. Do we what do we have here? Well, the first box is focus right, Scarlet, 4th gen. It's equipment for microphone. If you like, it's harder to understand. Connect this to computer, and from the other side you connect microphone. You can control volume, etc. So that's this one. Then we have a mic. I decided to buy SM7B as they right here. It's a legend. No, I heard it's one of the best, so I bought one of the best. Why not? So that's this one. And the last one is this motherfucker. What is this exactly? This is arm for a mic. You put it on the table. It's supposed to. It's an arm for a mic. It's stand. It's just. It is just standing here. There. Nothing special. But I decided to buy this version. It's PCA 1 Plus. There is another version, PCA 1, which is good also, but this one is better. My Mac is talking to himself. Okay. There was supposed to be one more, but it didn't arrive yet. I guess system just doesn't work, so I have to wait. And the last box was supposed to be an XLR cable. As I said, it's not there yet, so this is not gonna function until I get it. So, just a small update. I felt like I should share it with you guys. What to expect in our future videos. So, it's time to wrap it up. It's time to wrap up the vlog. I'm gonna work again. Okay, see you next time. Here we go again, guys. And guess what I have here today? That XLR cable. It's right here. And right now I'm heading home to test it out. Let's go for a ride. Let's put it right to here, because it's too bright. Let's fix it a little bit. I don't have a tripod yet. This vlogging thing is quite new to me, so just experimenting a little with my equipment. Right now with camera only. Let's go. Here we are. Let's test it out. I hope it's gonna sound better. And this investment was worth the money, because this is not some beginner equipment, because we're gonna see. Let's check it out. More tape. Okay. Will never stop scraping. Motivational. USB. Is it USB-C or? Yes. Yes, sir. It is a USB-C. In that case, I don't need nothing else to connect it to MacBook. By the way, weather is absolutely beautiful today, but I'm not heading anywhere because there's work to be done. As they say, a later gratification. We work now to enjoy our time later. Because there is nobody is gonna do this work for me. Awesome. No scratches anywhere. Looking fresh. It's looking fresh. Okay. Now let's take this big boy. This is arm for microphone. I'm planning to put it right here. This arm will go like this. Mic's going to be here. Nicely close to my mouth to record every single word as clear as possible. Where is the tape? It's here. It's like Christmas, folks. More paper. Here we go. Show me this beauty. Looking gorgeous. More paper. Again. This is it. This is it. Amazing. No idea how to put this thing together. That's why I'm gonna do it off recording. Do not feel ashamed. Let's put this here. Or from metal. Like it. It's quality. Quality. Yes, we're gonna need this. Because I don't know if I will be capable of putting this together without a manual, proper manual. Well. And now let's go for the last one, the most important one, which is microphone by itself. Here we go, come to Diddy. Body, more paper, and more tape. That's why I have a knife here. I'm prepared for everything. show me the money. SM7B, sure. One of the best. I hope so. Now take action. Put this all together. So, for now, right now I'm gonna cut this video. You're gonna see the end result. So, see you then. Man, I got a little bit sweaty because I was in a rush today. But guess what I got? I have it! Finally! Port USB hub. That's what I was looking for. Because you can't plug USB-A into a MacBook on USB-C, and that's why I have this piece of equipment, missing one. Finally it's complete, but not complete. Where's the mic? It's right here. MacBook too. Let's put it all together and test it out. Okay. I think I'll test it out like this. This mic is high quality and it's also quiet because it was made for podcasts. So what do I mean by that? This microphone doesn't catch some surrounding sound. It will catch on your voice. That's why it's quiet. Some people use cloud lifter. I didn't buy it because I hope I won't need it. So let's test it out. Well, there we go again. Good afternoon, folks. I'm gonna share with you what happened. Yeah, I bought up for USB-A with output USB-C. It works. But another issue appeared. Issue was I didn't know how to use a software for recording plus editing audio. That was fun. Yesterday I was basically learning how to edit audio plus record it, of course, for the rest of the day. Immediately after recording. So now I kinda know how to edit it plus record it. And so let's go for it. But before we start, the reason why I had to edit this end result, which comes from the microphone, is because audio, raw audio from a microphone is flat. It is supposed to be flat because it's pretty expensive mic, and basically it's the best thing you can get to have flat raw audio, because if you have flat raw audio you can do a lot of things with it, and that's exactly what I did. So now, moment we all been waiting for is here. This moment has come. So let's test it out. So now it's gonna happen what we've been all waiting for.
And I think it's much better now.